Perfect day for wing gliding. Let's hope it stays that way. Toothless, is that launcher ready yet? We've got wing gliders coming. Oops, can't have a wing glider with no wings. I hope nothing else goes wrong. Here it goes. With these wings, you'll soar over Bert just like a dragon, but without the fishy afterstick. No, Toothless, you forgot the wings, which is a terrible thing to forget. We'll save you. Stay calm. And check out the sights on the way down. Heads up. Hey, you found Bert's cronkle nest. Yay! There's nothing alarming or horribly terrifying about that. Let's just keep moving. Gang, I was kidding. We need to get out of here. And they're hatching. Okay, hang on. Wing glider coming through. This is why I love flying. Well, that was fancy flying you just showed off. You can join Toothless and me for a ride anytime. But just be aware, a lot of the dragon training around here is the dragon training us. Yeah, Toothless, quit sliming my face. I just brushed my teeth. Now gather up all your axes, helmets, and shields and prepare to exit the wing glider. Don't leave anything behind. I don't want to chase down some crazy dragon because they thought your axe was a throw toy.